Hi guys, welcome to Fix and Tricks channel. Today we want to replace the analog stick of the Nintendo Switch. I have a brand new one and that I want to replace it with this old one. But before everything, please subscribe the channel and encourage me for making better videos, and like the videos if you like them. Okay, back to work. First of all, we have to untighten 4 screw. After that, you can take the cover we need some okay guys, as you see, this is the battery, and at the beneath of this cover you can reach the analog stick, and for that we have to unscrew the cover with 3 screws. Be careful because the cables are so thin and fragile. Be careful not to tear them up. Now we can see the analog stick. You have to release the latch like this, and after that the cable released. Then you have to untighten these 2 screws. Okay guys, this is the analog stick that I want to replace it. We have a brand new one here. This one. Latch the cable like this. And latch the lever to prevent the come out the cable from its place. Then you have to screw it up. Then you have to tighten the screws. Like this. Smoothly check the cable to show that it's firm and tight. Okay. Now we can put the cover back. Okay guys, we take the cover back, and now the battery. And the back cover at the end. As you see, like this, we change the analog stick or joystick of the Nintendo Switch. And now we have to tighten the screws at the end. Please guys, subscribe the channel. It makes me to build the better videos. It encouraged me to make the better videos for you. And thanks for watching this video. The last screw, and the job is done. Thank you guys, and bye for now.